你好, I'm Jingyu. Welcome to my channel. I will share Chinese language learning courses on my channel and talking about Chinese culture. If you are interested in Chinese and want to learn some Chinese knowledge, please follow my channel. I will continue to update relevant content. Today, we are going to learn about greeting. Let's begin. First, hello. 你好 你 means you. 好 means good. Together it's hello. 你好 Please repeat. 你好你好你好 Hello. When you want to say hello to more than one person, you can say 你们好你们 means you all. 好 means good. Please repeat. 你们好你们好你们好 When you meet someone in the morning, you can say 早上好早上 means morning. 好 means good. Together it's good morning. Please repeat. 早上好早上好早上好 Good morning. And good evening is 晚上好晚上 means evening. 好 means good. So 晚上好 means good evening. Please repeat. 晚上好晚上好晚上好 Good evening. Okay, if you want to say how are you, you can say 你好吗你 means you. 好 means good. 吗 is a modern particle used at the end of sentence to indicate doubt. Together is how are you? Please repeat. 你好吗你好吗你好吗 How are you? Okay, when someone say how are you, you can say I'm fine. It's 我很好我 means I. 很 means very. 好 means good. Together it's I'm fine. Please repeat. 我很好我很好 If you want to say not so good, it's 不太好不 means not. 太 means too much or very. 好 means good. Together it's not so good. Please repeat. 不太好不太好 Okay, first time you meet someone, you can say 很高兴认识你很 means very. 高兴 means happy. 认识 means to know. 你 means you. So 很高兴认识你 means nice to meet you. Please repeat. 很高兴认识你很高 兴认识你，很高兴认识你。Nice to meet you. If you want to say long time no see to a friend, you can say 好久不见。好久 means a long time. 不 means not. 见 means to see. So 不见 means not see. Put together. 好久不见 means long time no see. Please repeat. 好久不见。好久不见。好久不见。Long time no see. Okay, after spending a happy day with friends, it's time to say goodbye. You can say 再见。再 means again. 见 means to see. So, 再见 means see you again or see you next time. Please repeat. 再见。再见。再见。Goodbye. Okay, that is today's learning. Let's review what we learned. Hello. 你好。你好。And if there are more than one person, 你们好。你们好。Good morning. 早上好。早上好。Good evening. 晚上好。晚上好。How are you? 你好吗？你好吗？ I'm fine. 我很好。我很好。Not so good. 不太好。不太好。Nice to meet you. 很高兴认识你。很高兴认识你。Long time no see. 好久不见。好久不见。Okay, goodbye. 再见。再见。Good. That is today's video. Feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Practice documents are available below the video. You can download if you need. If you are interested in my channel and want to learn some Chinese, please follow my channel. 再见。